Alrighty, guys, so I went ahead and created 3 new Zeropark campaigns, and I just gotta wait for them to get approved here. So the first one I made was the offer from Kenya. So let's go ahead and take a look at that, and we can look at the settings here for the campaign. All right, so let's see. Okay, so I selected Kenya for the country. The adult filter is non-adult. Device filter is mobile. Operating system is Android. Browser is Chrome. And then the carrier is Safaricom. Now, this carrier is the only carrier that's allowed to be ran for this offer, so that's why I chose this carrier here. They did allow multiple operating systems, but I only selected Android because Android usually works the best for this type of offer. And then for the browser, I only selected Chrome because Chrome usually works the best, typically from the testing that I've did previously. So let's go ahead and look at the timing here. So I selected 24 hours. On default, I think they selected 30 minutes. I think that's a little too soon, so I went to 24 hours. This just means that the visitor will only see my page once per 24 hours. So let's go ahead and scroll down here. Now the campaign type was run, and then the bidding type, or the bidding was set to, I set the bid pretty low. The suggested bid was 0.095. That's a little high, in my opinion, for this offer because this offer only pays 30 cents. So I put the bid pretty low, and if I need to get more traffic, I can just increase the bid. And then the budget is just really low right now because I just want to see how well this does, and then I can increase it after. So that's the first offer. Let's go ahead and take a look at the next offer here. So the next offer was the offer from Zedu, and let's go ahead and take a look at the settings here. Now this is the ClickBox offer. And this one I chose quite a few different countries here. So I sorted by ECPM for this offer. And then I just picked the countries that had, they looked like they were working the best and that had the same rate and put them into one campaign. And that's why I chose those countries specifically. For the adult filters, I chose non-adult, mobile, operating system is Android, browsers Chrome, and then the carrier or the network source is carrier traffic. So let's go look at the timings. This is the frequency filter. So I set this 24 hours like the other campaign. The campaign type is run. And then I set the bidding pretty low here. And then the campaign budget was $15, which is pretty low as well. So this is the second offer. Then we have one more offer to go. So the last one was a finance survey. And this is one that I have ran before. So let's go ahead and take a look at the settings here. So I picked quite a few different countries: Chile, Malaysia, Croatia, Hong Kong, Germany, and Singapore. The adult filter was non-adults, mobile, Android, Chrome, Safari, Samsung, and then carrier traffic. Filter was 24 hours again, RON, and so forth. Bid was set really low as well. So I went ahead and started this last one as well. So thank you guys for watching. I will give you guys an update soon. So I appreciate having you, and take care.